Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. A little short video. I failed to leave this out. Whenever this relates to part two, and I'll put a link at the bottom of this for part two, because I've kind of discovered today a new way to rotate an item around the center of the page. And I was using an ellipse, and sometimes when you run a macro, it won't work on anything that wasn't in that particular spot or that particular shape. So I wanted to test it out before I really canceled that other video in case it didn't work. I'm going to draw a star. I'm going to make it a 5-star star. And I am going to hit the Alt and the plus key, or, well, the Alt and the C key at the same time. So Alt C, click on the X. Look where it put the rotation. It put it in the center of the page because I've made a macro. And then let's rotate that 22.5 degrees, and then Control D and go 45, Control D all the way around. And you're working in the center of the page. I've said it a couple times already today. This is a game changer for me anyway, because I do everything in the center of the page. I mean, regardless of what it is, and I want to, rotate something from the center outwardly, and you have a circle and you put P, and you can rotate that from the center. But how can you rotate this star? So you can go Control C, and well, you know what? I'll probably have to make a new star. Let's make a new star, and this is a test to make sure it's worked. Control or alternate C, come on, and it worked. And then you could rotate this star around that circle anywhere you want it. So I'm glad it actually failed, because that way I could test, more and more. So alternate C, double click on it, and rotations in the center. I'm a happy camper. Thank you for watching. Hope that helped.